Hello, everyone. I am so thrilled to finally say that this is the last part of building the block walls with just two people. And we are getting everything situated with the last parts on the sills and cutting the boards for the inspection holes. So when we do pass the inspection, we can hurry up and screw those in. We hired a contractor to pump the cells with concrete, and the price was incredible. So we're just excited and ready for this to be done. And yeah, so enjoy and thank you for watching. So while helping Nick build the block walls, I lost my job, which wasn't super surprising, but it was still a blow to everything I'm working towards. And being under a loan contract made the already pressure and stress overwhelming on building a home. And now I need to find a job while staying on track on the home build. So I've been trying to keep my head up and been praying. So inshallah, everything works out the way it's supposed to. And I just wanted to share because I know that the job market hasn't been the greatest for a lot of us, but we need to keep our heads up and just keep moving forward. with the final product of the seals. They look fantastic, and I'm so grateful for Nick. He did awesome. He was tired and ready to be done, but they look fantastic. The last one.
The last screw.
Good God.
Screw you. Screw you too. You're screwed.
Had our inspection Friday. We passed. Yay. And we even got a compliment on how clean it was. So that was really cool. So today we are going to have the cells poured with cement and ready to get that done. They're coming soon, and we have to build the scaffold for them so they can do their thing, and talking to a couple of truss installers so we can get that done, which will be awesome. And yeah, things are moving along, and I'm very thankful. Things are looking awesome, and just really excited. Cool. So, like I mentioned before, I was responsible to install the boards to every inspection hole. And while the pump guys were pumping the concrete, one did bust, and the concrete was just spilling everywhere. And became this very urgent matter, and we had to tell them to stop. And then we had to put back the board, clean up the mess, and then we were worried about every other board. So I did watch them go around the house and the boards to see if any one of them busted out again. So the lesson is to double check your work. I felt pretty bad, and I made sure that it wasn't going to happen again. So, yeah.
We got to fill these little holes. See what I mean? Look, when I do that, there's a hole in there. You got to fill that.
So the pump guys left and did a great job. It was surprisingly fast, and I was glad to be able to be there to help and videotape the process. And now we are installing the last of the acres for the trusses before the concrete sets. Thank you again for watching this journey. It's been a wowzer. And building the block walls with Nick. And Nick was definitely, hands down, the VIP in this whole process. I would have not gotten this far without him. There's still a lot to do, but the block is done. So stay tuned for more episodes. Bye.